We've got a Fender skirt job working on today. The customer accidentally swiped a K-rail on the freeway. He got two fenders coming in. He brought some silicone. It should match this silicone, but I have some stuff if it doesn't. I'm gonna take these tires and wheels off. The fenders themselves are just fastened on with some self-tapping screws. See if I can get the camera underneath, get a decent view of me lifting this thing. Luckily, this whole thing's aluminum, so it's nice and light to pick up. Tires and wheels are up and off the ground. And coming down. Cool. We'll keep that bottle jack there, but let's get the tires and wheels off. 19? Look like 19s. What are they? 3/4. Tires and wheels are off. Let's get these fender skirts off. Alright, fasteners are off. Break the seal of the silicone here. I think that might just pop it off. Sweet. First one's off. No damage to the actual frame of the trailer, which is great. Do the same on the front. Just break the seal of the silicone. Beautiful. Let's get this old silicone off. I'm gonna get a new scraper. Got a new scraper, it's all clean. Just get this old silicone off. Make sure I don't scratch the actual aluminum. Cool. We'll hit this with some cleaner as well before we put it on. The silicone's coming off nice and easy. Got a little bit of silicone inside this trim here, get that out. Good for now until I do the final pass of cleaning. Oh yeah, nice resharpened plastic works a lot better. Like butter. Let's get this all cleaned up. I need to finish taking the residual silicone off the mounts. I'm gonna put the new fender skirts on and put the new silicone on. Front's off. There's a little bit of residual, but I don't think that's actually silicone. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, it's coming off with a dry rag. These wipe-all wipes are insane. They work so well. Rear is clean. Did they cut these down at the bottom? I need to see if these are cut. We're on the other side. Okay, and they are cut. So I'll secure it in one position I'll secure it in one position and then mark it and cut it. On this, I'm gonna have to secure the top and then secure it all the way around. These are bent a little bit from shipping. Man, did they cut this trim to the fender itself? All right, on the factory one, it looks like they just bent it around the trim. So I'm gonna do that. All right, good. It was able to go underneath that trim, and then I can silicone all that. Perfect. Cool, got one on, and I'm just gonna trim it. Just make sure I tape all this stuff off and then trim the bottom. We got the holes marked. Let's get the front done now. Make sure we're roughly even. Fender skirts are installed. I need to trim the bottom of this, and I need to be very precise when I do it. So let's do it. Front is done and deburred. 3 more to go. Front skirt's done. Let's work on the rear skirt. Good. And finally the last one. Everything's on, mounted, cut. Now I need the silicone. All right, silicone's on. Fender skirts are on. Oh, let's clean up first, get tires and wheels on, and then I got to extend his safety chains. Second one's cut. Let's put them on the trailer. About 4 longer. Our customer wanted me to extend the safety chains. Drill on there, made them longer, secured them down, that all works. New fender skirts are on for driver's side. Everything's secure, everything's re-siliconed. This job's done. I'm on to the next. And torquing lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued.